Hello, my name is Hayden Williams. I'm Chief Mechanic for Timmy and Hansen World Rallycross team. Today we're in Tudela in Spain. We've come to the SKF factory for a tour and to learn about them. SKF is a company focused on excellence. Their bearings are of highest quality and ultra low friction, and that's what we're looking for in our race car.
My name is Julian Jimenez, SKF Tudela plant manager. The SKF Tudela is a factory 50-year-old, and since the beginning, any task that we were given has been a success for SKF.
There's been a number of things that are really amazing in this place. How automated everything is, the standards of excellence they aspire to. You know, their motto is to improve every day.
We decided to implement digitalization everywhere in the factory, not just in the manufacturing processes. So really it's a continuous improvement activity expanded along the factory. We started with AI 8 years ago, and we started to implement and to improve processes based on this machine learning and later on generative AI.
Hansen's and SKF are very much aligned on their goals regarding the environment and sustainability, and they've become carbon neutral 5 years ago now, and we are as well. So I think it's just a perfect fit.
The goal is to be 100% circular economy by the end of 2024. We track all the waste that we are having in the process, and one by one we are looking for some other companies that may use this material as an income for them, to be treated and to be used.
It's been an amazing day here at SKF. I've learned a lot personally, a lot of small intricacies about the way bearings are manufactured. But overall, the staff have just been really amazing. Seeing all the robots and all the processes they use, it's been a real eye-opener.